sun is too much. Oh. Oh. Mama. Mama, we have tried to do. Let's just go back home. I don't have energy to continue again. I'm tired.
Let's walk a little more. Now that the sun is mild, because the sun start coming very harsh, we can now go. You know, go.
Mama, I'm tired. Oh. I'll just fall here. I'm tired. Small, oh.
Small.
Let me be clearing this thing.
Clear.
Obi, please come and help my mother. She's dying. I don't know what happened to her. Please, come, please.
Ngozi, I know they plait your hair. Pack your load and go. Shebi, you are the one that is gossiping me everywhere. Gossipies. You don't gossip finish. You come here, ma come plait your hair. I'm not gonna plait your hair today. Get out of my place.
What do you mean?
You don't understand. What do I mean? Not be you be gossipies. Were you not gossiping with my name?
Wait. Is it because I came to your shop to come and make my hair? What is it? Are we foreign?
People, see me. Ngozi Akwanu is using me to learn phone.
I make my hair. I'm here to make my hair. So you see that no one's happening.
I can see. You know the fear face. Don't pass this my place now. Pass my shop. Say you want to make your hair. If you don't say I learn taekwondo. I dey be person no. Go ask my sisters. I dey be person no. Forget say I dey do saloon. I learn taekwondo for school when I dey family school. Don't let me tell that for you. I feel who be you are calling me mad woman. You dey call me mad woman. Hold on. You dey call me mad woman. Na me. You want make I use? I go use this thing knock you. Come out from my saloon now. Leave my saloon. Get out of my saloon right now.
I will leave.
Leave. They speak English when you no go school. Illiterate when no go school. Come out from my saloon. Come out from my saloon. Come out, see as he be. Retired illiterate. They can't hear they do. I don't know what you're saying. But this village when me are you there? Oswald.
Nurse, where is the daughter to the patient in the emergency ward?
Sir, she went to call her.
Okay, good. As soon as she comes, this is the file. Let them make the deposit, okay?
Okay, sir.
And one more thing. As soon as the payment is done, let me know so the treatment for the ICU can commence immediately, okay?
Sorry, sir, but the young lady did not drop her contact. But she sounded mature and assured me that she'll come back here with her pupil.
Are you serious?
Yes, sir.
I've warned you severally never to admit patients without taking their contacts or personal details.
I'm sorry, sir.
So now how are you going to contact him?
We are very sorry, sir. Very sorry, sir.
Better be careful.
My mother is dying. Please. Be careful. The number not connecting. The number is not connecting. Hey.
Uma, please, we need to be on our way now. And there's this important matter we need to rush. And moreover, you don't have anything to fear, okay? Your mother will be definitely fine.
Thank you so much. Thank you for helping.
Ma, please take it easy, eh? I believe it's not something serious, eh? By the time doctor attends to her, I believe she will be fine, okay? Just calm down, eh?
God bless you.
Okay.
Thank
Bye
you.
bye, eh?
Thank
you.
Thank you. Hey, baby, why is your number not connecting? Let me check. Let's find. Excuse me, nurse. I've been trying to reach out to my sisters, but their numbers are all switched off. I want to quickly rush to my sister's salon and tell her what is going on with my mother.
No, you have to wait for the doctor to come out first, please.
What's the point of me waiting when I know that the doctor will come and ask for deposit? I don't have any money on me, please.
Okay. I hope you will not abandon your sick mother here in the hospital. I don't know.
God forbid. God forbid. Why will I do that to my mother? It's not possible, please.
People can be funny. You better be fast before the doctor comes out.
Before you count of 10, I'll be here. Please, eh? Thank you.
Now, one customer when they disturb. You know they disturb. Eh?
Where's your phone?
No.
I want to go out now. If I come back, you bring it if you still want to charge it.
No problem. This small one you charge is okay for me.
Okay. The hair is fine. When next I want to come and make my hair, you make same style for me.
It's big man hair. You pay big money.
But you still make the same style for me. See you later. I'm going out. Bye.
Bye, yeah? Very soon I'll soon finish it, yeah?
Where am I even going? Imagine. Are you sure this girl? Oh my God. This girl just played me. Oh. Look at someone that is rushing to her boyfriend's house. She just used her mother as an excuse so that I will not ask her where she's going to. Hi. Oh, what nonsense. So even if I see her sister now, what will I tell her? Her mother is in the hospital. And she will not ask me what hospital. No, I cannot. I am too old to give false information or information that is not complete. I'm not going anywhere. I can't go to that house.
Please, can you hear me? I wanted to... Hello? 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 Hello, please, can you hear me? Hello? Why is this phone hanging? Oh my God. I can't even quote.
Mama, yes. What happened to Mama? What happened?
Mama collapsed while we were farming the farm this morning.
Collapsed?
I told her that I was staying and she should go. Mama still insists we should farm. The next minute she just collapsed.
Where is she now?
She's at the hospital.
Sister, please come and be going here. I will plait your hair later. Oh, this your hair self. You refuse to finish since how many hours? Sister, be going. Oh. Bye-bye. Oh.
Calm down.
Jesus said, let's go.
Wait, no. Don't do that here. Please calm down. Your mother is well taken care of. But you have to settle this bill first of all.
Are you lying?
150,000 naira! Nurse!
Yes. Look, you have to pay this money before a well-intensive care will be given to your mother.
So you have not intensify my mother since? You are not telling me you are taking care of her, that she's stable, but you have not intensified her stableness.
Calm down. Just calm down.
150,000
for what? Please lower your voice. We have patients at the ward here, so you don't need to make noise. Just make the payments, and your mother will be well taken care of.
So if I not make the payments, you will not take care of my mother. Call me the doctor. Call me the doctor.
Okay, just calm down. Just calm down. Calm down. Let me inform you.
See the way you're even saying 150,000 as if it's just 15 naira.
Lower your voices. You people are making noise here.
Well,
I'm just following the
Just
rules
calm
and
down.
regulation of this hospital.
say that the hairdresser is here. What kind of...
Are you sure?
Where did they keep Mama? Let us not be talking to her. Nurse is my mother, say alive.
Your mom is fine. Please,
Are
take
you
it
sure?
easy.
Oh yeah, tell us and go and meet her. Who's one is your mother is fine, your mother is fine, your sister is here. Let us go and go meet her while we are waiting for the doctor.
Please, you have to make the payment first of all. This is the rules and regulations of this hospital.
My only 150,000 naira is just 150 naira.
My hands are tied. There's nothing I can do. Please. You have to wait for the doctor to come outside.
Ha! Udoka, let your number go now. Let your number go in the name of Jesus. Let your number go. Udoka!
Has she picked?
The number is not good. You know they go.
Ebere, I think the best thing for us to do now is for you to go to the city and inform her so that she can raise the money.
Well, I go to the city. Number is switched off.
You heard what the doctor said. We have to do something about it. And there is no time.
Okay, na truth. The doctor say Mama like they are stake, abi?
Yes.
What will happen? Ma go as go change to better clothes. Come they go.
Now, your plate is okay. You're okay like this. Just start going to the city. You are
like
okay, yes.
Ma, they go city like this.
Straight to the city. Please be fast, oh.
See, if doctor asks of me, then I say I want to go and bring money, come.
Okay, be fast, oh. Be careful.
Sister, Mama is dying. Mama is dying.
How?
Yeah. Now it's long story that it's too much. The story is long, well. But doctor say Mama will die if we not deposit money. That Mama will
stop saying that. How much is the money?
He say 150,000.
Only.
Very mighty money.
It's not mighty. Just calm down, okay? Is she already in the hospital?
Yes. The way that doctor eye is when he talk, he said, "Not bring the money. I cannot do anything. Your mother will not die." Then make I run call city.
It's okay. See, I'm trying to fix my phone. I just got a new one, you see. So I'll just do it and then run a transfer to your account. And anyway, I was supposed to give this money to Margaret to get something for me. Just use it. Just go. Use it for transfer fare.
What of the money?
I will do it now. I'm trying to fix the new phone.
Transfer for my phone.
Just go and take care of Mama.
Okay. 150,000.
I heard you.
Okay.
Please run.
Don't forget.
Mother, bye. How far? Is Mama dead?
God forbid. How can you say such? My mother is still alive.
Our mother, not. You don't personalize it. Our mother is still alive. Sorry, I was only judging based on your reaction. You are moody. You were guarding Oko. What is the situation report?
The baby has gone to the city to meet with my sister so that she can get the money. The doctor is demanding for money first before you commence treatment on my mother.
I don't get it. What nonsense? What rubbish? So they've not even started treatment? My oh my. You see, this is what problem I have with all these doctors and hospitals. They cannot save life before the money for money. What rubbish? That's by the way, I have 1,001 or 1,002. Call doctor, let's do the deposit.
1,002 for what? You think you want to buy mosquito coils? You are talking about 150,000 naira.
No, Ebe.
And you're talking about this.
No, Ebe. 150 naira or 1,000. Ego again.
150,000 naira.
This sickness is beyond typhoid and malaria.
Please, if you don't have anything reasonable to say, keep quiet or you leave. Choose one. Because I'm not in a good mood.
Or Dr. Pulkonda. Is the doctor that... Sorry. Which word is Mama? Let me at least set my eyes on her. Biandia, can I be Mama or the word?
I don't think... Should we allow him to see your mother?
She's my mom. What nonsense question are you asking?
You don't have to shout, please. I only asked the question.
If this is my mother, will this is my mother?
Then you can as well stay here. Or you can go and sit down over there.
They should not show me. Mama! Is it by force to sit down? Our mother is sick.
Continue standing. Continue standing.
Very wicked set of people. Look at their wig.
Just pray that you can send this money sharp. You should send the money sharp. So that once I receive a lot, I will go and withdraw it. But please, don't let Mama die. Don't let Mama die. God, please. Touch that doctor. Don't be sustaining Mama. Oh, Udoka, send it. Network work. Oh. So that the alert will fall on time. Because don't put anything to happen to you. Somebody should.
I'll see what I can do about that. Nurse, has the payment been made?
No, doctor.
What is going on?
Doctor.
Why are you delaying the payment?
Doctor,
listen, the more you delay the payments, the chances of us surviving is very little.
Butu.
Doctor, people, please. My sister will come back with the money. It's a promise. I'm very sure about it. You have to save my mother's life, please.
Doctor, by me looking at you, you are a gentleman. I know you are a good person. You are just trying to be harsh on us. We understand. That is the ethics of the business, the profession. But please, this money is coming. She has come to get the money. Okay, to cut everything short, I can donate myself as collateral. I will not leave here again till the money comes. No, I don't have anything I'm doing at home. Let me just be here and wait.
Doctor, please. Oh, my sister is there.
Doctor.
Diego.
Doctor, please, my mother. No, I don't have money. Doctor, attend to my mother. I'm coming. I want to go look for money somewhere. I will bring the money for you. No.
You don't have money? How? She did not give you any money.
Which person?
Udoka.
Come. Do you guys think we are running this charity organization here?
No, we know it's not charity.
So what is happening? I'm just doing it because of you. So why are you delaying the payment?
But doctor, you told me just now that you gave yourself as collateral.
I said let me stand in.
Doctor, take him. It's very useless for us.
You
don't have anything by using him for.
What am I doing with your money?
Take him.
No, collateral.
Come. By the time you are ready, let me know. But no, the time is ticking.
Who will stand for the collateral?
And what about you? Do I have any appointment for today? Okay, you run along and check the patient. Sorry, I have to go. I have no time. By the time you are ready, let the nurse know and let me know, okay?
Doctor, please.
She can be your mother. You all have a mother to die.
Listen, I've done my best and the best I can do for you guys. I've done everything even if it's I've tried to come up with something.
That is, she just left now.
Listen, excuse me. You really have to excuse me right now, okay? No time. Stop crying. Talk to your brother and your sister and do something, okay? Do something.
Even when I donated myself as collateral, the doctor is speaking big ear.
Please, madam. Please stop crying.
Okuru si eme ebe. Huh? Nurse. Okuru si eme.
Just go and sit down.
Then no man can.
Just go and sit down.
Kono, come and push me.
Just sit down.
They'll be demanding for money instead of save life. Life first. Save life before you demand for money. They will not save life. I'm alone. You don't understand. Don't even talk nonsense. You understand what pain. I don't have anything to say to you. If anything happens to this woman,
Awesome.
Baby.
Awesome. Okay, when are you going to break up with her so you can be all mine? You know I don't like sharing you with another person.
I know.
But I'm condoning all these things because of what you told me.
Baby, I know what I told you. Believe me, I love you so much. And I can do anything to keep you forever. Okay? Very soon. Very, very soon. I'll push you aside, okay? And we'll live forever. Okay? Yes, you know how much I love you. Baby, you can zone. Oh? Yes, come to the backyard. I don't want all these people. I don't want them to see you. Shoot. I'm coming. Just, What is it? Who is chasing you? Why are you calling me from afar?
It's the doctor that is chasing me.
But doctor pursuing you?
He said we must bring the 150,000 naira complete before you attend to our mother. Please.
Is that why you're worrying yourself?
Then call your 50,000 you gave to me. She did not allow me to bring it out. I had to run out.
You know what? Just call your sister Udoka. Is this why you're worrying yourself?
I should call Udoka.
Yes.
I should call Udoka that I suffered and went to the city to go and meet and tell her that our mother is dying. Udoka said I should run back to the village, that she will send me 150,000 naira. Instead, she sent me 15,000. Is it not you that saw the alert from my phone? You are not talking as if you don't know. So I should go and be. I even tried to call her number again. It's not going through. She does not care.
Udoka, I said it. You have a very bad heart. How can you be this wicked, Udoka? Your own mother, your own mother. You know your mother is dying in the hospital, and your own appointment is more important to you. Can you imagine? It's not right. Who knows? Who knows if she's the one that even caused your mother the sickness? She even sent you 15K.
Yeah, it's 15,000.
Then where does she want you to complete the money?
You're not the one that saw the alert. What do you want me to do? I don't know. I came to you. As the only person that I have, as my boyfriend. Osia, please, help me, give me money.
Your sister is not doing well. It's not doing well at all.
My sister is not doing well, but you can do well. Please, I beg you.
Let me see.
I need you to give me the money.
I know, see. You know I love you so much. I can do anything for you.
Yes, of course.
I love you. But see, right now, I do not have any kobo with me. Yeah? Not that I don't have money, I do have money, yes. I'm waiting for an alert. I worked for some people and they're going to send me my money very soon. Okay? Once the alert comes in, I'll come and meet you in the hospital. So I want you to start going to the hospital.
So you are cashless?
Right now, this is a cashless world. My ATM card, the one I have money in it. I think I lost it yesterday. But don't worry. I'll soon get an alert, okay? Then I will send you the money, or I'll come and meet you in the hospital. Oh?
It's my mother that is sick. My mother's here to don't understand this thing.
I know. What? I know.
Let me go and beg people.
No, don't beg. I'm capable to do all that.
No,
okay?
I have to go and beg. If I finish begging, when I'm done begging, if you bring the money, I will give it back to them. Let me go
Okay,
and
once
beg.
I get the alert right now, I'll meet you up at the hospital.
My mother's sickness will not understand.
Okay, go before your mother dies. Hi. Yeah, baby. Baby Osa. Baby. Hi, Nene anu. Hi. Nene, baby, I'm the baby. It was me when I'm so sorry. I'm used to helping people, okay? It's one of those people that comes around for me to help them.
It's a lie. I heard a bearer's voice. That was a bearer.
A bearer's voice?
Yes.
Oh, you're right. I forgot. It's a bearer. Actually, a bearer needed help from me. You understand? So I say, let me just help her. All these people. I keep helping people.
Are you sure?
I'm
sure you're not like
I help people a lot.
I know, but that was a bear. I know what is going on.
No, it's not what you're thinking. It's not what you're thinking. Believe me. I told you something here. Baby, chalon. Don't do this now. Oh?
I should not do what? I can't continue like this. This is not fair.
Baby, believe me. I love you so much. And you know that.
I know you love me, yes, but prove it. I can't be hiding each time a bear comes to your place. I don't understand. Hiding like she's not a young girl like me. I mean, you are not even married to her.
Just give me little time. And everything will be fine. Okay?
When will all this your plan mature? When will all this your plans mature? This is what you've been telling me for a while now.
Baby, see. Let me tell you the truth now, eh? It will mature very soon. Okay? Okay, listen, see, I'm going to give you 20K for your upkeep.
It's not enough.
I'll say add it. I want you to believe that I love you so much. How do you expect me to be dating that girl self? Eh? That's a berry. How do you expect me to be dating that local girl, that Okuku Igbo? It's not possible now. Stop downgrading me. It's not good. Okay? It's not good, please. You see that I love you so much. This is 20K for your upkeep. Obunozu, tell me, I will.
It's not enough. You have to complete it.
I'll do it. Oh, Mommy Madu.
Sam, it's not that I'm angry with you or something.
Then what's happening now? Smile for me now.
It's just that I don't like her coming around. You know I love you so much. I'm doing all these things because I'm jealous. I don't want to see any girl around you.
You want to naked me now because of this. You know what? Negodi, that curtain is open.
For what? I'm not going.
Hey! Anu dia. Hey! Osankwa. Come on, let's go inside.
I don't know what's going inside now. Hey, Isi, good afternoon. I want to beg you for something. Just give me 15,000.
15,000?
Yes, 15.
By this time of the day?
No, or 10,000. You can. Okay, let me make it 10,000 naira.
You can see my views are reviews. I don't have such kind of money. Please, listen.
Okay, 5,000. It's my mother. My mother needs it urgently in the hospital. Please, 5,000.
Don't just do this. Do you see my views? It's the reason, so I don't have that kind of money now.
What of 2,000? Good afternoon. Please give me. I want to borrow you money. 15,000 naira. My mother needs it urgently.
15,000?
Yes.
Ha! I don't have money.
You don't have money?
No. How can you come by this time of the day and you say I should give you money? 15,000.
But you're making somebody's hair now.
This woman you see here, she has given me money long time ago. She has paid for the hair long time. So I don't have money.
Okay. Make it 5,000.
I don't have. There is no money.
Not even 1,000?
No money. Please shift. Let Breeze touch my customer. Shift. Go.
Good afternoon. Please, any of you, can you borrow me money? My name is Ebere. She knows me. I can refund it for you. You don't
Madam,
have.
go. No money.
Auntie, you don't have.
I don't have.
Hey, all of you don't just have money. Taylor! Good afternoon.
Why you're shouting? What is it?
Please, I'm begging you. I need you to do some. Help me. Give me money. My mother is sick in the hospital.
How can you just come and say I should give you money? Money for what?
Money for my mother's hospital. They call big money, but I know that you don't have the big money. Give me small one, 15,000.
15,000?
Yes.
This early money? It's too much now. Where do you want me to get it from?
Taylor, even you don't have money. Is it that everybody in this village is broke or something? Please now, give me 10,000.
10,000?
Yes, please.
I don't have up to 10,000 here.
Yeah, I will give you back. I'm not going to take the money. I will give you back.
Are you sure you're going to pay back?
I will give you now, please.
That's what people normally say.
I'm begging you, help me now. My mother is dying, please.
Let me see what I can do.
Please do something. I'm begging you, please. For since morning, 30,000 naira. Hi, Udoka, really let nothing happen to my mother. If anything happen to Mama, Udoka, I will never forgive you. I will never come forgive you, Otakomaka. I will never forgive you. You are in the city enjoying yourself. You lie to me and tell me that I should be going. Now you don't send me any money. If anything happen to Mama, you will hear from me. Just hold on. You will hear from me. Okay. Hold on. Let me get to the hospital. Amanda, please, I'm begging you. I need you to help me. Borrow me 10,000 naira, please. My mother is in the hospital. I need the money as soon as possible, please.
I don't know. The 10K I just came back with is for my contribution on Sunday.
And don't worry, give me. You even have 10,000 naira. Give me the money, I'll pay you back. Seriously, I will pay you. I need it as soon as possible. Bikonu.
Is it that serious?
It's serious, oh. I'm telling you, my mother's life. My mother is in the hospital. They say if I do not bring money, she will die. You want my mother to die? You want my mother to die?
No, okay, I will give you the money.
Give me.
Make sure you give me.
I will pay you, don't worry. Is it the 10,000 naira? No, is there another 10,000? So you add it together.
I gave you 10,000. That one is not okay.
I just want to know if there's another one in case of incasity. Oh yeah, now. No problem. Yeah? I will give you.
I'm thinking about something I want to suggest. You know, before now I told you I have some money with me. So I want to suggest, let us use some of part of the money and step out to buy bread and mineral. You know, we've been here since morning and we've tried. You know, I'm not feeling fine, I'm having ulcer. So let us go and eat something to avoid having 2 patients in the same hospital. The bill we cannot be able to pay.
Thank you. But I don't have appetite to eat about my mother.
You keep on personalizing it to your mother, your mother. Our mother, we are all worried. If I'm not worried, what am I doing here? We're worried about our mother. Yeah? And I'm not talking about you having appetite. Nobody is talking about appetite here. I am talking about feeding warm.
This is your warm and the life of my mother. Which one is the most important thing? Just leave me alone. I don't even know what is keeping my sister. Nothing should happen to my mother.
Stop sounding hopeless. Nothing is happening to Mama. Nothing is happening to Mama. You should have faith and put your trust in God, because it is written in the Bible that for those that believe in Lord Jesus Christ, they are like Mountain Zion that can never be removed. So we are not removable. What are we even doing here? Is it not better we go and start praying?
If you don't know the Bible, just keep quiet. Please. Don't turn the Bible upside down.
Well, let us go and be praying. Huh? Dr. Jesus, Ogwo no ya. Dr. Jesus, Ogwo no ya. Benebe bo. Ogwo no ya. Bia waba. Dr. Jesus, Ogwo no ya. Dr. Jesus, Ogwo no ya. Dr. Jesus, bia waba. Dr. Jesus. One more Dr. Jesus.
Udoka is so heartless. Eh? How could she abandon your mother at this critical time that she needed her most? Udoka, Ubi Italian Milio. Hey, Fiapa.
Udoka sent 15,000 naira.
Hi.
Out of 150,000 naira, the doctor so let us bring for Mama's health. And I told Udoka, she assured me to come here, back to the village, that she will give me the money. Udoka sent 15,000. I don't have anything to tell Udoka. What I want to tell Udoka is that when our mother body don't do okay back, what I will do to Udoka.
Ojo bulu dene shibuon kapo. That Udoka should be behaving like this. Anyway, how is she? How is she now?
I never go hospital. I don't know why she is. I never reach there.
It's okay.
Begging money.
It's okay. You've been begging money.
Yeah.
When I told you I'm capable, that I will see what I can do. You still went begging.
Sorry.
Anyway, it's okay. There's nothing we have to do now than to see what we can do. Mama will be fine. Okay? No weapon that fashioned against Mama will prosper. She'll be fine again. Actually, I have like 10K here that I want to give to you.
It's 10,000 the capability you're talking about.
It's not something. It's something. Now, if you add it to the one you have now, it will come up.
No, it is. It's because you were saying I should not beg. You are capable. I beg 30,000 naira.
If you add it now, it will be 40.
But it's just the way you were saying you were capable. I thought you wanted to bring up.
But it's still something.
God bless you. This is something. Thank you.
It's okay.
God bless you.
Don't worry, Mama will be fine, okay?
I'm just having a headache.
After use 500 from that one and buy drugs for yourself and small juice.
The time of the death is 6:30, so get that done. Bring the distance to cover up now.
Sorry, how is my mother?
Hey, hold on. We tried our possible best to save her, but I'm sorry we lost her.
I don't understand.
Hold on, come this way. I'm sorry. I really have to tell you this right now. We tried our possible best, we tried our possible best to save her and do everything we can. But I'm sorry we lost her. I'm sorry.
Lost who?
I'm sorry. Hold on. It's okay. Calm down. Please, calm down.
I'm down.
Good. So,
I'm down.
okay, sorry. Nurse, bring this thing to what else? Oh, hey.
Doctor, leave me alone! Mama!
Please.
Get them. It's okay.
Please, you need to step aside for me to do my job.
Please do your work.
What's going on here? Why is it not like what? Ma, where is Mama? Where is Mama? Mama?
Hey! See how she's calling her mama now! Where's Mama? Oh, goodness, where's my mother? Dear mother! Pretender! It's our mother we are talking about! After killing her, you have the guts to show your face here!
Are you talking to me? Is this a joke? I don't understand. Why would you think I'll kill Mama? Listen, I am going to take it that Mama death has given you the shock that is affecting you upstairs. It's affecting your head.
I am talking from the right side of my brain. I am okay! You are a murderer! You killed Mama!
Excuse me.
Very soon, the whole village will know the kind of person you are! A murderer!
Watch your mouth. Watch your mouth. Stop it. Look at you, Mama just died and here you are accusing me of killing her. How?
You are a pretender! You pretend for a living! Do not step your feet into this house, else I will personally kill you!
Hey, Berry. Seriously, I don't know what you stand to gain from all this. I don't know what you stand to achieve. But if I were you, I would tell that devil that is pushing you to leave you.
Oh, goodness, please, where's my mother?
Where's Mama? Talk to me!
Don't hold me! As you're holding me now, leave me alone because as you're holding me, you're causing more confusion. Just to see human being, exposing her body like a woman that is selling her body parts. Murderer like her. I will burn her to ashes. I will burn her to ashes. What are you doing? I want to burn this marine spirit, this witch, this murderer to ashes for killing our mother. She's a murderer.
What is wrong with you? Ebe, what is... Can't we have peace in this house again? I told you to come down after Mama's burial. You can do whatever you want to do.
Are you mad? Do you have sense at all? Am I your mate? If you don't have anything to say, my friend, zoom into the house and go and rest.
I am not going anywhere.
You're not going anywhere.
Let me say you're going to burn this place. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. I will not let. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. What is this? You can't even have peace again in this house.
I will kill you.
Kill me.
The Bible says suffer not a wish for you to live it.
Which
Bible? You should die.
Which of the Bible?
In the past. Leave me alone.
You have this your Bible. Even if you can't remember your leave me alone. I will shut up.
You will die.
Leave me alone.
As you want to follow her.
Leave me alone.
I will finish you.
What's your problem now? What is it? Is it whatever please?
I'm about to burn you.
Better burn me now.
I'm about to burn you. Once I light this fire, you are already gone.
I'm president.
I will light you like lighter.
I will
light you like lighter. You will be like bomb. I want to die with you that way.
Berry, why do you want to kill her? Of what use will you gain by killing her?
So I should not kill this motherfucker. This person that is technology in killing people. She's a armed robber, killer, murderer. That's it. She can't.
We should be thinking of how to bury her mother, not this. Please.
So she's sleeping in peace. She's supposed to be sleeping in pieces.
Do you want to be a murderer? Do you want to kill someone at... Pick up.
The knife is drawing my hand.
No.
I'm trying to go. The knife is drawing my hand backward. It's drawing my hand to stab.
Give me.
Because if I don't stab now, this hand will not. See the hand is shaking.
Please.
I prepared the hand to do this work. You are now.
Baby, don't allow Satan to use you.
As you're holding the hand now, it's vibrating.
Don't allow Satan to use you. Just go inside, Good.
stay in this house like this, mourning your mother that you have killed. You are rushing back, evil spirits. What are you expecting me to do?
To stay back in the house so you can keep insulting me? So you can keep calling me a murderer? I should stay back in the house so you can continue calling me a murderer, right? Oh! Maybe you thought I didn't see you yesterday night. I saw you. And you know what? I am going back to my business. Yes, I do have a home. I'm not a stark illiterate like you.
Eh? You are not going anywhere. And if I don't mind my business, what will happen?
Did you just touch me with those undisputed, stinking, shredded hands of yours?
Yes! And I will touch you over and over again. Do your worst.
Ebere, you pushed me.
Yes.
You pushed me. Ow! You pushed me.
Ow! Ow! Get your hand.
Ow! Someone help! Stop! No, don't get me! You want to ow! 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 You don't get out!
You don't have it. You don't have it. You don't have my special. Are you mad? Father! Father! Hold! That's what I do! Father is there! I will lie to you at the hospital! You're mad! You're coming! Do your worst! Wait! If you don't be holding me again, if you're holding me, you are making me myself, I'll be dropping! I don't hold you! Talk again! Talk again! Talk for Jesus! She's for your life! She's for your life! You never
Yes.
I am losing it. I am losing it. As it stands, I am losing it.
What is wrong with you? This one you're shouting my name like this. Who is after you?
Uncle, it is that nitwit. That thing that called herself my sister Ibiri. What is our problem?
Oh God.
Why would I keep going around the whole village telling people that I killed my own mother? Why would I kill my mother? Am I a murderer?
Please.
I was my mother. Here.
What has come over your sister? What has come over your sister? I thought I told her to stop that madness. But meanwhile, calm yourself. Calm yourself,
Uncle,
please.
it is high time you go to that house and talk to that kid. I know why I am saying it. Now tell me, of what use will it be for me to kill my mother? A woman that has shown me. A woman that carried me for 9 months. Why would I kill my mother? Uncle, I know why I am saying this, so. Hey! Uncle, if I go back to that house, I go put her for her body, woto. Uncle, if I go back to that house, heads will roll. Uncle,
please.
Somebody will die today.
Calm down. Wait. Ah.
I will not take it. I won't. What the hell is the matter? Madara is here. You did wait. Excuse me, Madara. You have. If you say stand there, I will take you to it. What? Excuse me, sir. With all due respect, what are you arresting me for? Ma, go with me. Come, let's go. Ma, follow me, ma. Let's go. Follow who? Take your overhyped self out of the place. Ma, follow me. Let me have companion there. Put that in the boot. Put that in the boot, okay? Anybody that wants to kill me inside this motor will not kill me. I cover myself with the blood of Jesus. Anybody that fights against me, fight against my God. I cover myself with the blood of Jesus. Anywhere they are taking me to, ma, follow me. If I slap you, you gonna receive sense. I cover myself with the blood of Jesus. Any weapon fight against me shall never prosper. Oga, hold your gun where? Oga, hold your gun where? You are a chaff. Oga, anywhere you are taking me to. Anywhere you are taking me to. Don't shoot me, oh. Oga, don't shoot me. I'm spiritual. Let's go to the station.
style you gave me this last time, it was the bomb. You were almost getting me crazy. You're too much. Where did you learn it from?
Well, that is what you get for dating a university girl like me.
Wow.
Oh yes. You know, this is just this small one. Until you make it official that I am the only girl in your life, then I'll make your brain spin. You know?
Why are you talking like this? You're the only person I have. You are the only girl in my life. I know it and I'm very sure about it. I can say it anytime, anywhere, any day. If you want me to go to Ogugu and swear and prove it to you that you're the only girl I have, I will do that. Just to make you believe me.
How do you go? What are you saying?
I am serious.
What are you saying? What happened to Ebere? What happens to Ebere? Why are you talking like you don't know what's up? I know everything.
Ebere is just a waka pass.
She's just a waka pass, yet anytime you see her coming, you ask me to hide.
Baby, listen. I'm using Ebere to actualize my plans. Once the thing is done, I get what I want. Babe, off we move.
You and who?
Yeah, you now.
Are you sure?
Oh, I don't
but
know why
I don't like the fact you always tell me to hide when Ebere is coming to see you.
You see,
I don't like
Don't worry. I know
you're making me feel less of myself, like I'm worthless.
I know what I'm doing. There's something I'm planning. You understand? There's something I want to get. Once I get it, how this dodging, you won't be dodging again.
That's something.
I'm telling you the truth.
You're not washing me.
You're the one that will gain it all.
You're not washing me.
I'm not washing you. I can't wash you now. Oh, baby. Oh. Hey, what the guy inside?
Inside, the guy make one again. Oh, they chugi. Oh, they chugi.
Inside, we couldn't do. It's your guy, I was playing.
No, I'm crossing me off. I'm leaving. Are you not tired? Are you not tired?
Not tired.
No. I fail to understand that. Are you this heartless? My sister just lost her mother. She's mourning and you're here. Instead of being with her, at this moment you're supposed to be her comforter. You should be mourning with my cousin and not being in love mood with another person.
You know why I'm looking at you this way? Because you don't understand. If you understand, you know that it's your sister that I love so much. I was just saying this thing to this girl just to make her feel happy. You don't understand. My sister is the main person that I love.
Okay, no problem. You come and explain that to Ebere. No. You come to our house and tell Ebere what you mean by that.
No, it has not gotten to that. Take it easy now. Are we not guys? Why are you doing this now? I told you it's your sister that I love. I'm just doing this to make this girl happy. Understand me. We are men. We can always sort things out. Okay? Don't take it so far like that. It's not right.
I will understand you, but not just like that. Yeah, about 8,000. 8,000.
8,000 is too much now. Don't let your sister know about this.
Okay, let me go and see if Ebere is at home. 3,000 again.
I'll make it 5,000.
No, 7,850.
You see, not that I'm guilty, not that I'm guilty. You understand?
Okay.
But I'm trying to make it not to look as if because you're trying to misunderstand me.
No problem.
Your sister is the real person I love. I don't even love any other person.
We know.
God knows that. I don't love any other person. I don't just love any other. Your sister is the one in my heart.
You are right. Let me call Ebere so that we'll have a family meeting and take decision.
See, guy, I will add that 1,000. Let it be 6,000. Yes.
772.
Do this thing now.
Make it 72.
We are not selling pepper and fish here. We're talking about love here.
Yeah, with the 71. 7,000. Okay, just 7,050 now. Back from here to my house is 50. 7,050. Just I will forget it. We are guys. Go and bring it now. I don't like all these delays.
You know actually that your sister is one I love and you're still doing
it. It is not good. Are you not supposed to be in my house now, morning with my sister? You are here with another girl that is even bigger than my sister.
I'm going to get it. Hold on.
Sangerewa, sangerewa, sangerewa sa, samina wasai. Biamma! Who is after you?
But there's no one after me. I'm going to Uncle Ude's house. Can you believe?
What happened?
Udoka came to the house with policemen and arrested Ebere.
Police? What?
Yes, Uncle.
For what?
Because Ebere is accusing her of killing our mother.
And so? No, I'm asking you, for what reason? Why will police even arrest? In that case, there's a problem. Okay, we'll go and inform Uncle Ude. But before then, why will police even come and arrest somebody? Are they not aware that we are mourning? The family is mourning our mother.
But there's no time. Let's go. There's no time.
What do you mean there's no time? It is wrong for police to arrest somebody that is mourning. That single reaction from them can lead to depression and suicide. Or any confrontation. Don't worry.
Uncle, let's go. Uncle, let's go now. Oh!
Udoka came here, complained concerning Ebere. I told her to wait, that I will come to the house and talk to Ebere.
Uncle, what are we going to do now to release Ebere? This kind of a thing is not heard of in our family now. It is wrong. Mama's death is just few days ago, and this kind of thing is happening. It is wrong.
Very wrong. Let me get my phone. Let me call Udoka so that she will tell the police to release Ebere immediately. Whatever be the trouble or problem, should wait until their mother is laid to rest.
Simple.
Is it network or what? Okay, it's ringing. She's not picking.
I said it. Uncle, see what will happen. it is better we leave now to her house in the city. Thank God it's an hour drive from here. Let us go to her house and talk sense into her. What is all this?
Or Uncle, let's go to the police station instead.
Police waiting. It will be easy if we go with Udoka. But the problem now is, I don't have any money on me.
No, money is not problem. Uncle, I have enough money that I can transport both of us to the city. As for the going to the police station, I will not. What happened if Udoka ordered the police to arrest anybody that will come around asking about the bed?
You should arrest everybody at once.
No, go so that they will arrest you now.
But our coming back, Uncle.
I have money.
Okay, in that case, Ma, go back home. Go back home. I and Owa will go to the city and see your sister.
We are going already, Uncle. We are leaving.
It's okay, Uncle.
I will enter, even if the money is not, I will enter attached. Let's go.
Okay.
Please try and talk sense into her, please.
I will.
Bye-bye.
It will. I will enter attached. Let's go.
Okay. You guys are recording.
Huh?
You've
not eaten, Uncle?
I've not.
Okay, let's go.
Okay. Okay.
Everything.
Please, my daughter, Obigidajo. There is no one it will be that will not be angry. But whatever happens, I want you to remember that she's your blood sister. And again, your mother is still in mortuary. Such stories are not supposed to be heard of your family, our family.
The most beautiful lady in our community, and you happen to come from our family.
Always.
It's a thing of joy. You are our pride. I am proud of you. Anywhere I go, I keep telling them that the most beautiful lady in our village comes from my family.
Always.
Please, just calm down. Let me tell you, nobody supporting her
at all.
Lie. She is on her own in this case. Nobody supporting her. And the more you put pressure, the more people will want to know what is going on. And once they ask, they will hear the story. Okay, take for instance, now that you arrested her, people are asking the village, what happened? And she's telling them that you have a hand in Mama's, and that story, oh my God. So please, calm down.
And you actually think that I care at this point who supports her and who doesn't? Or maybe you think I care about what people talk about me back in the village, right? Listen, as far as I am concerned, she's about to go sick. She's a wacky, tacky girl. She needs to be treated. I mean, will continue to remain at that place until I am sure her sanity is back.
Please come.
Father, I do not want to see her.
Please. Kuducha for the sake of your mother.
Don't even say that. Listen, you will only have peace for me when you give me peace, I give you peace. That's it. Oh. Excuse me. Yes, hello? Yes, sir. Really? Oh my goodness, God. Oh, okay, sir, okay. Yes, I will be there tomorrow. Thank you so much. Okay. Okay, sir, thank you. Thank you so much. Okay. Yes!
Did you win jackpot?
No, not at all. You know, there's this contract I've been pushing for some months now, and they just called me and told me that my company actually got it. This, I mean, we're supposed to be celebration.
Yeah, congratulations.
Thank you.
But please, your sister, please, celebration will be stronger. Please.
Seriously, I am only listening to you because I have this utmost respect for you. If it wasn't for you guys, I don't mind if she stays there the whole year. I don't even care.
Thank you. Thank you.
I'll think about it. I just said I'll think about it. Oh, wait. Are you expecting that if you come to this place, I'm just going to the station?
You think about it.
Yeah, I'm going to take my time to think about it. I don't stress my head.
What's it?
You should start going.
I know, but don't worry, As
usual.
Yes. Thank you.
The policeman pressed my neck. He pressed my neck.
Did you check the name of the police person?
I did not check because my eye was blend.
Did they beat your mouth?
They did not beat me.
They're supposed to beat your mouth.
They were smelling anyhow. Smelling.
Smelling, only
everywhere
shit.
dirty. They were shitting inside the place.
My problem is you would have take notice of the name of that policeman that beat you.
What will you do?
I'll wait for him for that their check.
Panam Junction.
Okay, I'll call you back. I'll just call you back, please.
I
see the cat has already been let out.
Thank you very much, my daughter. Whatever be the problem, we will settle it amicably on a round table without fighting or getting outsiders involved. Please.
It's okay, Uncle. I do not have a problem with that.
There is no cause for alarm. Let us enter so that Okuloka will drop us.
Okay.
Who are you talking to?
Huh?
Enter where?
Okuloka's can, our sister's can.
Our sister? I be your sister because she's not my sister. Sister don't arrest sister. Sister that arrest sister is not a sister. Which car? This which one is car? Just look at the kind of car he said she enter. The car that is red. How can somebody after graduating for 2 years, he buy 2 mighty car, not even small one, 2 mighty car. See how the car is. The car looks like car that want to swallow person. You want to use me to do money ritual.
Uncle, you see what I was telling you? It is quite obvious that this thing can never change. She can't.
Will you shut up your mouth? Better shut up your mouth. Do you know the gravity of what you are saying?
said now, they cannot use me for ritual. I cover myself with the blood of Jesus. Any evil that form against me shall not
Javier, leave her. Leave her.
They didn't give her enough beating in the cell.
I am telling you. What is wrong with this girl? Can you see?
Uncle, please. Just get into the cows and let me just
Enter back.
No, let me be close with my sister. I have something.
My head is not for ritual. As many that gather to use me for ritual, the Lord shall gather to use them for his own ritual. They shall be used. As many that put me in police station, the Lord will put them in spiritual police station. As many that call police for me, the Lord will call police for me. You people are entering ritualist car. Let her use you people. They are sacrificing people. I shall never be sacrificed. I refuse to die before my time. I shall never die before my time. Anybody that says I will die before my time, that person will die before me. I shall never be dead before my time. I shall never.
Them they call a troublemaker. Them they talk, she know they hear word. Oh. Everybody they point accusing fingers, but they don't know about the way she feel inside. Yeah. Oh, a super story. Oh, super story.
Morgan, what is it? Huh? Why are you squeezing face as if your mother died the second time?
Is it not my sisters? They are causing fights that will never end easily.
I don't understand. What do you mean?
Sister Udoka came with policemen and arrested Ebere.
For what?
Ebere accused Sister Udoka of having hands in the death of my mother.
Why? Udoka's hand is not clean too. Yes. Udoka's hand is not clean. Why is she doing that? Eh? Why are you looking at me that way? Do I know your sister more than you?
Please, Brother Osadebe, if you don't have anything meaningful to contribute to this matter, don't come here and complicate anything. As you can see, my sister is not around. You can go. I've had enough.
Udoka's hand is not clean. Yes.
Can you just go, please? Let me have peace. Please.
I'm going home. I'm going.
Go now. Go, I'm tired.
Somebody that her hand is not clean. They are doing what I don't know. The hand clean. Aki Odocha. You are the Rocha. Remember my head, you're not good. Okay.
Rita, I want to ask you something.
What?
What are you still doing with that guy that called himself Osadebe?
I don't understand. Huh? What am I doing with you?
Yes.
Do you know without Osadebe, I would have become a school dropout? Yes. Is it with that vegetable that my mother is selling that I used to sponsor myself in school? You don't understand. You don't get it. So please, let's talk about something else, oh?
Nekangwage, there's this saying that says, when you want to eat a frog, eat the fattest one, that's the biggest one. So you will be proud to say, I am a frog eater.
So where are you driving at?
Since it's because of money that you're going out with Osadebe, why not step up? Do things with men that matters. Okay, may follow. So you collect the money in a bigger way, not run things with this village, whatever.
Okay, I think I got your point now. But let me correct one thing. I don't do prostitution. Huh? Yes, I don't sleep with men for money. Osadebe and I are friends with benefit. Nothing less, nothing more. Okay? Huh? I follow Osadebe, yes, I like him because he's cute and he assists me. He helped me a lot. So no need of jumping from one man to another when he can literally do everything I want for me.
Come. Hold on. What is the difference between you and those girls that run things with men in exchange of money?
Okay. Do you know you amaze me? Those girls are likely to contract incurable diseases. Those men can easily use them for money rituals. Oh yes! And their home won't have respect. But my parents, I own them that. Okay? So I don't want to jump into one bed, to one man, to another. Please. Stop trying to instigate me. I'm not a baby. Okay? I'm a student. I'm very smart. Do you get? Please, let's go.
You know there was you're sticking to one man, right?
Yes.
That's nice. You're sticking to one man. That very one man you're sticking to, is he sticking to only you?
Lillian.
Yes, darling.
Can we please stop talking about my man? Can we just stop talking about my man?
I just want to understand something.
Can you please stop talking about my man? Can you stop? Stop talking about Osadebe. Bring us something else to talk about.
I will stop talking about him when you explain it to me very well.
Then
this guy is not saying only you.
I don't care. He has promised me that he will discharge her, yes.
And you expect him not to promise? No, he was supposed to say, no, I'm not going to leave her for you. Get wising up now. You just said it. You are in school. You're wise. Use your brain. Come back. This is the way. This is the road to the house. Don't miss it. You're wise. University girl. Please, let's go home. Promise.
Yes.
I brought a promise. He has promised. He has promised. Okay now. Just be fooling yourself. Sticker. And
just stop.
Okay, I've stopped.
Stop.
Let's go. Don't stop.
You're knocking like an old woman. I wonder what you do when you get old.
Come, be careful with me. I'm just trying to help you. So don't just say.
Ebere, I will not want to hear anything concerning this issue again. I will still say it again. Whatever be the issue, should wait till your mother is laid to rest. Let me remind you, there is a way you follow this case. The person that is guilty will become right. Please, enough of this drama.
I have something to say.
Hey, say it. I am all ears.
Uncle, the point I want to make clear now is, is it not better for us to listen to Ebe? Ebe has been saying the same thing all this while and nobody wants to pay attention. We all know her. She is part of this family. And we also know that she's not mad. So that somebody will not accuse her of talking out of her madness or something. She's a normal human being. So let us look into what she's saying. I'm not saying that Udoka is guilty of what Ebere is accusing her of. But my point is, let us call a meeting. Let Omona be consulted. Let us have a meeting and ask some important questions. If at the end of everything, anybody that is guilty should be punished.
Bam! Uwa, because of this thing he got, God bless you.
Thank you, Jare.
Why do you say that?
Uncle, check it now. Is it not clear? Somebody's mother is in the hospital and 150,000 naira was demanded. Imagine, Udoka sent 15,000. Can you compare this huge sum of money? From 150 to 15. What will you have done? Now, will Udoka stand before me, Bowa, and bold to say I don't have 150,000 naira. Did you see that house? That sitting room alone worth millions. And she cannot bring 150,000 to save your mother that carried you for 9 months. Is this not sheer wickedness? Eh? Even after the discussion, she gave us 20,000 naira transport. But she was unable to bring 150,000 naira. Can you compare it? She was unable to save her mother 15,000 naira out of 150, and she gave us 20,000 naira. Are you sure? Let me not say it, oh. Let me not say that her court people, they've demanded from Mama's soul.
Bam! You are right. Uwa. For this reason, my respect for you that was like this has increased. It has elevated.
Thank you, my darling sister. We move. Even while we were discussing, somebody even called her and told her that she has won contract of millions. How can such a thing happen? Your mother just died and you're winning contract. Can you compare two of them? If you want to mourn, you mourn. If it's time for happy contract will come. Contracts will not be coming now that Mama is dead and people are mourning. Hey! This is a new person with TCBI. Bring your mother and take contracts.
Oh, Uncle, what other evidence do you need?
My friend, shut up. Come. Let's see. Come. Hey! Sit down. Nonsense.
Her mother just died and she's winning contracts. Millions, so. If you are new person with TCBI, will tell your mama to take contracts.
Them they call a troublemaker. Them they talk, she know they hear word. Oh. Everybody they point accusing fingers. But they don't know about the way she feel inside.
Very bad of them.
Oh, what do you gain to achieve? Are you making peace or trying to instigate fight among sisters? Eh? Don't you know that if a berry hears this, she will capitalize on it and start her trouble again? Huh?
Uncle, there is sense in what, there is truth in what I said, though. If you look into this thing, you know that I am making sense very, very well.
It cannot be certain until it's been proven. I want to warn you, mind what you say in their presence for the sake of peace.
Uncle, my point is, elders should look into this thing now. Elders should look into these things and take decision. I know Ebere very well. Even if I decided not to talk again, Ebere I know will not stop. Oh. She's this kind of person from childhood that will always want to get to the root of everything. She will not give up till everything is proven, like as you said. By the way, let us go to the business aspect of the discussion.
What is that?
We were given 20,000 naira now.
Eh?
The transport.
I thought you said Udoka is evil.
Udoka is evil now.
And so why should I give you evil money?
No, the money is not evil. It's only Udoka that is evil. The money is good.
Eh, but who gave us the money?
Udoka. Evil Udoka gave us good money because my uncle, I brought transport. Oh. You even ate gala for my money.
Okay. Let me tell Udoka that you want the evil money.
You know,
it's all the, you said it, that she's evil, and you want me to give you evil money. Oma menu now. Ogene. Zukwenike. Oma me. Ogene. Ogene. Evil money. And I will give you. No. Come read your evil money.
Them they call a troublemaker. Them they talk, she know they hear word. Oh. Everybody they point accusing fingers. Don't know about
the movement is not an easy one.
Repeat what you just told me. You said my sister won $1 million contract.
I don't understand. The one I said, didn't you hear it? You put the earphone when I said it. See, Two of you are my sisters, and I don't want anybody to accuse me of coming in between two sisters. I don't want, in fact, I am okay. Leave Udoka to stay. Leave your mom to stay. If truly somebody has a hand in your mother's, let your mother fight.
I don't understand. I don't understand. Tell me, what did Uncle Ude give it to you that made you change your mind?
True to God, he did not give me anything. No. He did not give me anything. See, like I said before, I don't want to cause problem between you and your sister. Let your mother, the spirit of your mother, fight. If Udoka is the one responsible for Mama's death, let Mama strike. This should be our prayer point, not fighting.
That one is not my business. Did you say she won the multi-million contract? Are you sure?
You know,
tell me, let me know.
You know I have ulcer, chronic ulcer for that matter. Let me go and eat. Let me go and, in fact, let me go and eat. Later we'll continue discussion.
Uwa! You want ulcer?
Yes.
Kita, you want ulcer? Let you go and find food. You will not come and give me this information so that I will know the next battle line I want to draw. You want ulcer? Ulcer sabulugo eba. Did he say she has or she won multi-million contract? This Udoka is a ritualist. So. Udoka wukwa ritualist. I cover myself with the blood of Jesus. Because the next thing now, she might want to use me. Udoka.
She wants to turn things around, oh. She only needs a chance,
Open this door!
A super story.
Open this door!
Who be that? Super story. Oh, she wants to turn things around.
Where is that mother? Because I know she's inside there. Go and call her for me. Okay. Go and call that idiot for me. You are laughing. Monkey! Look, just look at what she's drinking. See what she's enjoying. Look at the kind of Milo. All the dirty and Keye. Just look at five things that is in his house. You killed my mother and you are happy. You can never. Oh, they are even watching television. Look at all these people, like pilot people that is inside. Come and watch TV. Come on. You are on a TV rubbish. You are watching nonsense TV. You want to watch TV where I am. You want to watch TV. You watch TV. Witchcraft kingdom. Demonic people. You want to kill my mother? No, you have even killed her. I'm saying you want to kill her. You have killed her, mama, and you are here looking in your eyes like big frog. Rubbish. Nonsense. Murderer, ritualist.
Hey, what is it? What is the meaning of this? Baby, you came all the way from the village to my house to break my television. For what? Baby, what part of the universe is working against you? What is wrong with you? Who is using you against me? What has come over you?
Who is using me against you? That's what you have to say. After killing our mama, you are asking me who's using me. You are a very, very wicked soul. You are a murderer.
Where did you get this idea?
Be speaking English. Speak my tea English for yourself. That is your own cup of tea, not my tea. And you must drink that tea. You are a murderer. You are a murderer, ritualist.
Listen. I am not going to fight it. It doesn't mean I don't know what to do. I don't know how to take care of my house. You know what? Break everything. Start from here, every single thing in this house. If that's what is going to make you get away from this illusion of yours, just be my guest.
You see yourself. You are not even feeling bad because your couple people have told you, come back here, Ibuzu! Come back here, do not do! Rubbish! I will scatter all of it! I will scatter this your house! I will scatter everywhere! Scatter all the whole canopy! Scatter all your papers! Scatter! I will...
A bearer has a point. Yes, a bearer has a point. What is this world turning into? The mother that gave birth to you, nurtured you, sacrificed for you, gave you a better life. all you could do is to kill your mother. Too bad. Too bad.
Udoka arrested me. Udoka arrested me. She don't bite more meat wey she no go fit swallow. Udoka go deal with Udoka that Udoka will see death. He go dey beg for death. Make death come. Death no go gree come. Udoka.
Ebere.
Udoka.
Ebere. Can we just stop all this fighting? He's not leading us to anywhere. Mama's death is a very big issue already. All we should be looking for is how to bury Mama, not this fight.
But we can't just fold our hands and watch the wicked go unpunished. If not me, I don't burn in car.
Look, just see what you do.
Not me.
You are here saying we shall allow everything to do. Where is he leading us? He lead us to say. Now me, he lead to say. When I tell you that you accompany me to the cell, you refuse.
If you're a
only me go.
You're a co-witch, tell us. Tell us
now. You never know where he stands.
You're a co-witch,
you don't know where he stands.
You are putting more trouble to this. You are
adding
more fuel to this.
I mean, it's quenching the fire.
Which one is
the
quenching?
Police carried me and was putting me inside that possessed car. Even when I was praying that God should cover me with the blood of Jesus, mean that car will not swallow me as he swallowed Mama. You did not follow me, only me sleeping, sir.
Why would I? Was I the one that was fighting?
It was you the one that was fighting.
The world is wicked.
Yeah, it was you the one that was fighting.
The world is wicked.
Was you the one that was fighting? Hey, no problem.
For her burial. God, please come to my aid, please.
Baby, see, it's not that I'm trying to instigate fights between you and your sister, okay? But God knows if I'm in your shoes, I would have drum-sounded it all over the village. You have to let Mama, your sister, to avoid her. It's like your sister has joined one secret cult or the other. You know, they normally instruct them not to be giving their relatives money. And that is the reason why, I'm sure that's the reason why she couldn't give you people the money they demanded from the hospital.
Hey! Udoka, it shall never be well with you. My love, thank you so much. Thank you for coming to check up on me.
It's okay,
I love and appreciate you so much.
Okay.
Thank
you. You know I love you so much and I always stand by you. Okay?
Don't be touching my neck. You used to do me somehow. You dey do me tatari. You are tatari me.
Just try and be strong for me, okay?
As you are touching me, I'm strong.
Okay, come on, let's go. So you go and rest and freshen up and
But I thought
eat.
You said you're going to get something for me.
Okay, what do I get for you when I'm coming tomorrow?
Fish.
Fish?
Yes, small fish.
Or?
Small fish.
Or what?
Anunchi.
Hey, itabu onwe gị na nchi. Okay, I'll get it. Take it. Hanunchi. Nah, Tiger. Let's go. Come on, let's go. Let's go.
It's my body. I don't want to leave your body.
You don't have to leave my body.
It's eating me. It's eating me.
Them they call a troublemaker. Them they talk, she know they hear what oh. Everybody they point accusing fingers, but they don't know about the wish you feel inside. Yeah. Oh, a super story. Oh, super story.
I'm here.
She wants to turn things around.
What is it?
I'm looking for something. Something I can use to proclaim something.
Something that you want to use. I don't understand what you are looking
like
for.
Like all this bang, like bell. Bang, I need it. Do you know where I can find it?
Do you want to start a church? I want to know because that's the only thing they use in opening a new church.
So you don't know where I can see bell, Abi? You don't know where I can see bell, like bang, anything that look like bell.
Ebere, are you okay?
I'm looking for bell. I know where I'm getting.
Ebere, where are you going to? I'm not surprised. There's nothing he cannot do. Maybe he wants to use our parlor and open a church. Mama, this thing.
A super story.
Super story. Instead of her to come and help me and do this thing, she's asking for help.
She wants to turn things around.
Let everybody that has ear, let you open your ear here now. My sister is the latest murderer in town now. Latest murderer in our village is my sister. Let anybody that have ear here, my sister is a murderer. The latest murderer in town now. Avoid her for your own good. Anybody that has ear, if you don't have ear, borrow ear. My sister is a murderer. The sister that senior me is a murderer. My sister that senior me is a murderer.
Don't know about the wish you feel inside. Oh.
Let me tell you, my sister is a murderer. In case you don't know, my sister is a murderer. You people should be knowing, yeah? Don't go near her. She will kill you. My sister is a murderer. Do you know my sister? That my sister that is strong, fair, Udoka, is a murderer. Avoid her, avoid her. My sister is a murderer. Don't be looking at me like that. No, that my sister is a murderer. Sister is the latest murderer we have in this village. My sister used to kill people for a living. She used to kill people for a living, Sometimes she have killed her own mother. My sister is the latest murderer. All those who have here, let you hear. If you don't have here, borrow here. My sister is a murderer. I'm taking out my time to tell you people now so that you people will not say I did not tell you people. Because Ebere is a very good girl. I'm telling you people that my sister is a murderer. Avoid my sister. Avoid my sister. Avoid my sister. If you now avoid my sister, that's your own cup of tea. Because I took out my time to inform all the village that my sister is a murderer. My sister is a murderer. My sister is a murderer. All of you that have here, let you hear, Lot of people, yes. Well done, I said, let me tell you, my sister is a murderer. My sister used to kill people for a living, bros. Anyway, if you see my sister, you should not talk to her. She's a murderer. You used to kill people. Good afternoon. My sister is a mother, in case you don't know, let you know. My sister used to kill people for a living. Avoid that, Because if you avoid my sister, she will kill you. She will kill you. I'm telling you to avoid my sister, For your own good, avoid my sister. I have been here. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. If you see me, you know my sister, the one that senior me, that is fair. She is a murderer. You should just know that one. You used to kill people. Avoid that,
Them they call a troublemaker. Them they talk, she know they hear word, oh. Everybody they point accusing fingers.
What is it, Tamara? Why are you screaming my name like there is fire on the mountain?
It's your sister Ebere. She's announcing that Udoka killed your mother.
What? Ebere, why is she doing this? Not again! And where is she now?
I saw her go to the market, holding there, announcing to people.
Let's go. Uncle, please, you have to come with me to the village market. Ebere is making announcements.
What is it again? Can't I rest? Is she going mad? What is wrong with Ebere?
She's making an announcement all over the village that Udoka is the one that killed our mother. And you know what that means, Uncle, please.
Oh. Who is there? Come and carry this food. They don't want me to eat.
Uncle, please, we don't have time, please.
I'm coming now. Let me wash my hands. Let me wash my hands. Umaga. What kind of madness do we call this? I told you to wait after your mother's burial. Besides, what do you want to achieve? Instead of you to mourn your mother, you are looking for trouble. Let me tell you one thing. This family has reputation in this village, and nobody should mess it up.
Uncle, I am very disappointed in you. We are talking about my mother's death here. You are busy talking about reputation. What kind of nonsense reputation is that, Uncle? I am telling you that Udoka killed my mother. You are here saying rubbish. What is your stay in this thing? What is your stay in this matter, Uncle? You I'm seeing you, Uncle. You are now taking sides. It's like you are looking for where to stay, Uncle. Uncle, is this you or somebody else? Tell me the truth.
Listen, Ebere. That your mother is my sister. Let her avenge for herself.
That is the thing I hate. You people don't know that once somebody die and go to the spiritual realm, they will tie the people's hand. They cannot walk again. They cannot do anything again. I am helping Mama to fight because I know Mama cannot stand up and fight. Spirit don't fight. It's the physical people that fight. Uncle, see, let me just tell you this thing I'm telling you. I don't understand you for. I don't know why everybody's not looking at this thing from my own point of view. Because from the point I've seen this thing, Udoka is a murderer. But you people are seeing it from another point and you all are quiet.
Hey.
Yes, yeah.
Ebere, there are procedures. Things have been done. First, let your mother be put to rest. Then we take it up from there. Issues like this, there's a way to go about it. Biko.
Tell her because I've been saying this thing. Yes, yeah. How do you know she was the one that killed Mama?
You don't used to see anything. That is it. You don't used to see. Two of you are the same color. I wanted to enter Ipo's color, but I escaped. You all are the same, but it's just because me and you is in this place, that's why you escaped. Udoka is the mother. Uncle Udoka is the mother. Everybody should do something about it.
Yeah.
Nobody should tell me anything about
yeah.
it. You must not be calling me at the same time. Let me not become angry. Udoka is the
mother. It is sure na nwa awuro ogbanje. Awuro ogbanje di.
Udoka is the mother now.
Nwa awuro ogbanje o.
Oh my God, what is going on in my family? Our mother just died instead of making plans for her burial. It's his problem. And could it be true what Ebere is saying? But why would Udoka have the mind to hurt our mother after all the sacrifice and help she rendered to her to make a stand?
Sister Udoka, are you still worried over your school?
My dear, I am really worried. Seriously, I don't even know what to do. At this point, I only see myself dropping out of school. Whereas I'm almost graduating. It's very hurting now.
God forbid. You can't say that. You don't need to lose hope. Just be strong. Have faith.
Listen, Ma, I haven't only lost my faith. I am hopeless. My strength failed me. I don't even know where to run to. I don't know who to go and meet.
Let's just keep our finger crossed and wait for Mama to come back with the positive news. Please.
I pray she does. Seriously, I can't stand dropping out of school.
You won't. Okay?
Yeah, okay. What if yeah, okay. That's what you say. Yeah, okay. Oh. You can lay off my people. Yeah, okay. I'll give you 20,000 naira. That's the only thing I can afford. For which of them? All of them. All of them. Look, all of them now. Why will you? See, let me tell you, see this one. I just cut it. This one, I only use it 5 times. They are all okay. They are of good quality. Pico. They're all okay, but they are the second-handed clothes now. You know it. You know it. Okay. The only thing I can afford to give you now, 25,000 naira. Take it up. You leave it. Okay. Just give me 50,000. You know what the worth of this? 50,000 naira. Why? Because 25,000 naira. Take it or you leave it. Chai. Ego. I'm gonna shop. Ego, is it because I need money you are doing this to me? I just want to help you. You and I know that these rappers are worth more than what you are pricing it. Okay, see, you are my fellow woman, no? Is it because I need money? Teresa, I just want to help you. I should go. No problem. Take. Go and bring the money. Take you where they go. Is it complete? 25,000 is complete. 25,000. Okay. I don't need accounting. It's alright. Thank you, yeah? Thank you, my baby. Thank you. How long? Okay. Will you come for me? Oh, I will.
Sister Teresa, Kekwano?
I'm good. I'm good.
Okay.
I was actually coming to your house.
Coming to my house. I hope all is well.
It's not that well. All is not that well.
Okay. Is there something you want to tell me?
Of course.
Okay, do you want us to go to my house or we can talk here?
Okay, it's all left for you. If you say I should join you back to the house, I will go. If you say I should explain myself here, so I can still do that.
Okay, go ahead, let me hear you.
Okay. Because it's about my daughter, Udoka, about her school. Please, I was coming to your house so that you lend me some money to add what I have, so I can be able to pay her school fees and stuff.
You came a bit little late. The money I had, I just gave it to my mechanic to go and buy spare parts for my motor. Assuming you came a little more, you would have met him.
Please, no matter how little it is, give me. I will appreciate and I will return it. I will pay you back. I will appreciate this.
I understand. Your husband used to be a good man before he died. If I had money, I would have given you. Don't worry, eh? Some other time, come up a little more. Next time, there's no money now.
Mama taking so much time to come back? How am I even sure that she's going to succeed with getting the money? Could I beg you, please? You're the one that gave me this admission. I don't know what to be in school to mom.
Sister, you have to calm down. You know it's not easy to see someone that will lend you money in this village without asking for something in return. So you have to be patient and wait for Mama to come back first.
See, man, you don't understand what I'm telling you. You don't understand it at all. This stuff is driving me nuts too. Look at the time. Mama is not yet back. Listen, Mama has to come back with that money. Seriously. And look at the time. She's not yet back. This is the last sunset for the day. And you expect me to just be calm. I need to go back to school.
You will go back to school. Just have faith. That is it. Just have faith. Everything will work out for you. Don't worry.
Tell me, Oma. Since when did you become a motivational?
Sorry.
Meanwhile, where is Ebere? I've not seen her since today.
After we discussed about your school, she went out.
Ebere went out? Without telling me? Where did she go to?
I don't know.
Hey. See, let me tell you, both of you are the least of my problem right now. You people cannot come and make me mad.
Oh, sorry. Are you hungry?
I better leave me, I'm not there hungry. This your chicken are you doing that you didn't see me off.
I should not rush again, sister.
Baby, let me ask you something. You've been hustling money for your sister's school. It's been hustling so hard. If you are in her shoes, will she do same for you? Will she?
I love, why are you talking like this? She will. She will.
Yeah. Okay. Another one is this. I hope she will not change. After you people will pass through all this to train her in school, I hope when she start getting money, she will still respond back to you people. I hope she respond back to the same family that see her through all this stress.
She will. See, I know you don't like my sister, and I know two of you don't get along. But my sister is not as bad as you are painting her to be the bad person. Oh. My sister is not bad like that. Oh. See, let me tell you, my sister loves me and I love my sister. Two of us, we share all our things in common. It's only
Okay,
parts that we don't used to wear.
what I'm saying is this. Some people, when their family finish training them in school, before you know it, when they start getting money, they will just change.
It's not my sister.
You understand? And back the people that helped them in life.
My sister cannot do that.
Okay, no problem.
You cannot do that. Don't be thinking like that. Udoka is not like that. Though.
It's okay.
Oh yeah, no, my love. The money now. Give me the money that I came to beg you for. How much are you going to give me?
I'm not giving this thing because I want to give all. As for your sister, I will not even give anything. But I'm going to give the little one I have just because of you.
Thank you so much. Thank you. God bless you. I go make it. How much?
At least 10K. 10,000 naira.
Honey. 10,000. 10,000. You tried though, but you have not finished trying. Make it 20,000 now.
20,000. Where do I get it from now? Eh? Where do I get it from? 10,000 at least. Eh?
It's alright. Half bread is better than nothing at all. It's better than one more. So it's okay. Give me the 10,000. At least I have like 5 people. I will do all night for 3 days, plaiting people's hair back to back.
Okay, plaiting hair. Because when you said all night, I was wondering.
No, it's hair all night. Hair, plaiting hair.
Let me get your money.
If you don't want to use this one, I'm paying.
Let me get the money first. Well. Let me just manage this one in case if I pour somebody's oil. Stop looking at this one now. So that I'll give you 10,000.
My dear, you know I'm a pensioner and our money does not come often. The little one I have, I gave it to my son who just left yesterday and you are aware of it.
I'm aware of it. But remember how people used to say, I know that you can do something like this. You are my only hope.
My dear, you don't need to beg. Your daughter is my daughter. And the training of those children is a family thing. But if I may suggest, why don't you sell your husband land?
Hey, Martin.
I'm just suggesting,
No, that's the only land my husband left for us, eh? Okay. Anyway, if you say so, I'm going to think about it.
No, not that I say so. I suggested that, what if, You what, la?
Let me think about it, eh?
Are you okay?
I'll be on my way.
Are you okay? One.
Seriously, Mama, if I had known that me going to school was going to keep us in this condition, I wouldn't have embarked on it at all. I'm really sorry. Please.
Sister Udoka, you don't need to be sorry. See, let me tell you, nothing good comments easy.
It's nothing good comes easy, no comments.
I don't even care about our bad English at this point. Mama, the problem here is that why is it that all the people that promised me that when I get admission they will be there for me? Why is no one helping us? That reminds me. What of Saumi?
Huh?
Have you heard?
Forget about that one. If Royanka, he has declined from his offer simply because I refused to accept his demand.
I don't understand. Which demand, Mama? What kind of demand do you reject?
Teresa, why not consider what I'm telling you now? If you accept what I'm telling you, all your problem, anything your family needs, I will provide it. Why are you suffering yourself? Why?
Nay. So, after all I have explained to you, after all my plea, this is what you have to say. Eh? You are giving me condition. Anyway, the only thing I have to say is...
Chere, wait, hold on. Before you say anything you want to say. Where I brought this in, there are many other ones sleeping there. I hope you will take good decision. Eh? You say whatever you want to say, I'm listening.
Nay. See, if giving you my body is the only way for me and my children to survive, Jidegoke, yes, hold your money. Because I rather suffer and wait on God than for you to have access to my body.
Bia. You should think of this thing very well. There is no award for the person that suffer highest on this earth. Eh? After all, what are you keeping the body, my access to my body? Your husband is late. Help yourself. Eh?
Nah. My husband is late, but my God is not late. Come here, Chimanya.
Ngwano. Judenke, come Judenke.
Is disturbing you since? Which time?
My daughter is not necessary. Yeah, the rabbi.
Why is the heart of men full of wickedness?
Mama. Hey! See, I know I just know that you respect that man so much. But Baba say, Mama, if I see that man, I will make him regret ever making advances at you. Is he mad? How much does he even have?
I don't know.
What nonsense?
Your uncle, Ude, who has also said he will help us, he's not suggesting we sell your fatherland. The only thing your father left.
I don't know. But no. That's why our land is a no-go area. That one is no-go area for anybody.
But Mama, I think he's making sense. No, don't get me wrong. I'm not saying we should sell the whole land. Mama, let's sell half of the land. That way, I will be able to finish up my education. Mama, you know why I'm saying this? I've already spent 3 years in the university. And I cannot just come and drop like this now. Okay? Understand where I'm coming from. Do you understand me?
Mama, I think she's right. Let's just use the land as collateral. Whenever we have the money, we can get back our land.
I will think about it. People should rest for now.
There's no time.
The problem is that I need to go back to school. I really need to go back to school.
I didn't mean I've played people here this week now. I would have said I should give you the money, but no customer don't come.
I've told you people, my children. Let nobody lose hope. Eh? Don't lose hope yet. Calm down. I'll figure out something.
I'll figure that in fast.
Auntie, it's not easy. Ebere is really causing trouble. She's accusing Sister Udoka of killing our mother. Auntie, even Uncle Ude is trying to calm this whole situation down, but she is not listening to anybody. I don't know what to do. Only me cannot solve this problem. I'm tired. It's because of this we can't fix Mama's burial. We can't. Auntie Biko, just try and come. I know Kaduna is far. But please calm down. I am tired. I am tired. The Kingsmen, they have tried. They are trying to calm her, but she doesn't want to listen to anybody. Auntie, please. Just calm down, please. Just try and calm. Please. Okay, Auntie. I will. Thank you. Bye. God, please. Just come and help us because I can't fight this alone, please. Ebere, can we just put aside everything and call Sister Udoka to come so that we can go and see our kinsmen for the burial date? Please.
Ma, if you want us to go and see our kinsmen for the burial date, I have no problem with that. But please, stop bringing Udoka into any discussion of ours. See, let me tell you, you are the only sister I have. I'm just answering you.
Can you just stop all this? There is no how we are going to do the burial without her. She's still our blood. Biko.
Ma. Ma. I can see you have nothing to say. Please, I wish to be left alone.
I can't leave you alone. This fighting is getting out of hand. Please. There is nothing we are going to do without her. It's not possible. For how long will you continue fighting each other? Now you are singing.
Chidinma, please, I noticed that people were running away on my way to my house. What's going on?
It's your sister Iberi.
My sister Iberi?
She went about the village telling people that you killed your mother.
Ah!
That you are a ritualist and a murderer.
She did what?
She was holding Bello. And now...
Bello, what? Is my sister now a cherubim person? Hey! And here I was thinking I was wearing a back clothes. Maybe something was not right with me. Thank you for the information. Let me go back to the house today. We will kill ourselves. We will have it back to back.
See, the truth is that you don't go out. Once you start going out, you meet cute guy that is on money. Now, speed you go use forget that.
Okay, now, why are you drinking Panadol on my headache? I'm the one in a relationship with Osadebe, not you. So mind your business. Aish.
I am your friend and I must watch your back. So step up.
My friend, my special advisor on a relationship matters. I salute you.
You can say that again. Say that again, eh?
Please finish up. Oh.
I'm finishing up. Don't worry. Trust me. Your eye will open very soon. And you will thank me for opening that eye.
Ha! Lily, the eye opener. I salute you, ma. But you know he's cute, right? He's cute. And you know I like them tall. I like them tall, please.
Allow me to hear. Keep your head so I'll make your hair.
Sorry, free hair.
True, you and that yourself. Maybe doesn't even have money to pay me.
Don't drag me, oh.
Will you keep quiet?
Sorry.
Better.
So he's cute now.
Please stop making noise. You're deceiving yourself. Don't worry.
But for the fact he's tall, I'll love him. Sorry.
Better. Better.
You are dragging it too much.
Please calm down. I need to make this to look fine.
For my
Osade. Future guy. You see it.
For Osadebe.
If it's for Osadebe, I'll leave you.
Sorry, I am.
Understand it. What have I done to you? Oh, fear conscience, accuse no accusation. That's it. If your conscience is clear, you will not be scared of any accusation.
Wait, did you just speak a good English?
Yes.
Tell me, see me feeling, eh? No, that means you know what you are doing. Tell me why you are going around the whole village destroying my name. Ebere! Get up from the way. Better start talking.
She's a murderer. She is murderer. That's what this guy is. Why you begging her? A murderer. That is it. Look, can you stop this? Wait. This
you say I'm a what?
A murderer.
Because I've not packed here. No, because I've not packed this place. You are still talking, Abby.
Oh, and you see.
You are still talking.
You don't know that this girl won contract. You don't know. She win contract worth of million naira. And tell me, after 2 years, somebody graduated from school. The person have motor. He have car. He have contract. He have everything. If it's you, will you not know that it's money?
So you are the enemy in this house. No, you are the enemy in this house. So because I got contract, that's why you are angry. So that's why you're going round telling everybody that I killed Mama.
But is it a lie? Did she not kill
Can you stop all this blameless allegation?
I did not lie. Did you not kill Mama? Yes or no? You killed Mama.
Do you know why I am quiet? I am quiet because of the respect I have for Mama. After Mama's burial, you see this your hairstyle you have been carrying since. In fact, I will lose this hair for you by the time Mama's burial is done.
Come and lose it. Now me, I'm a hairstylist. I like to carry one particular hair, but if it's about murderer, this guy's a murderer.
Can you stop?
Stop what is wrong with
I will. See,
Ebere,
me, I'm a murderer.
You are a murderer, man. Who does not know that you are a murderer? You are a murderer.
Ebere. No, wait.
Come back and talk it, right?
Come back and say it. Come talk, you see.
me what I would have done for you, you would have regretted it. You would not believe it. You want to fight. You are fighting. Don't break it. I want it. Don't break it. Don't break it. What is your problem? What is the problem? Okay. No problem. I'll come back for you. I will come back for you. You see you? I'll come back for you. Stay in your rotten house. I'll come back for you. Okay. You see? If that was our house rotten, our house will come. I'm not here. Idiot. Hairstyle with right sense. Hairstyle is the one. Useless entity. Born by mistake. Disgrace to the family. Look at her. Simple English you can just speak. You are going around with my name. Nkobo. Because I suckled breast and left for you.
Hey. Hi, beautiful ladies.
Hi, handsome.
My name is Lucky.
Are you not the real father?
I'm Lillian. Rita.
Rita, Lillian. Beautiful names for beautiful ladies.
Thank you.
I'm actually from the neighboring community. I'm building a house somewhere there, so I'm heading to my site. Please, can I have your number so I could reach you girls? Huh? We'll go hang out, you know?
No problem.
Thank you very much. I'll beep you, huh?
All right.
You take care. Alright.
I beg, just keep your hypocritical greeting to yourself. Do you think I need such nonsense greeting? So you left my house in the city. You had to come back to the village and tell them that I won a contract, right? You can't see me megaphone or microphone.
Me of all people, I cannot do a thing like that. It's not me.
It is me. Maybe it's one of our ancestors.
No, I know they will accuse me. It's Uncle Ude.
Uncle Ude?
It's Uncle Ude that said it now. You know, when we were discussing about that movement now from your house, so we even talked about the money you gave us for transport. So he mistakenly said it. Not as a gossip, but you know, normal discussion, one thing led to another.
You think I give a damn if it's a gossip or not? Does it look like I give a damn? With the kind of lashes that I have on, does it look like I give a damn? I see rubbish things. Listen to me. I don't care what you people say in this village. But every single person that wants to belong to this family should just respect his or herself. Watch your mouth and mind your business. What is all this? See, I've had enough. And I'm about to explode. I'm actually may explode. I'm too poor, knock a bomb. What is it?
I'm very sorry. I'm sorry, no. Excuse me. Just one question, very important question.
Which is? Did you kill Mama?
Did you kill Mama? Yes. 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 You are my sister. You know why I'm asking you? Very soon now, this case will come to Omonna. And we are the Omonna. I want to know who to support. Whether to support you or support Ebere. Just tell me the truth. Did you or did you not?
I don't blame you.
Hey. Them they call a troublemaker. Them they talk, she know they hear what oh. Everybody they point accusing fingers, but they don't know about the way she feel inside, yeah. Oh, a super story, oh. Super story. Oh, she wants to turn things around, oh. She only need a chance, oh, a super story, oh, super story. Oh, she wants to turn things around, oh. She only need a chance, oh. She is strong and she's focused. And she is good and she bad, oh. She's a fighter, she fights up. But there are reasons to everything she do. Oh, oh, a super story.